Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video, I will show you how to make your laptop Wi-Fi signal faster. If you want a better experience of using the Wi-Fi, please follow the instruction in this video. First, you have to start the run command. For that, you have to press Windows and R at the same time. Press here. You have to type ncpa.cpl. Press OK. This will take you to this menu. Click on the Wi-Fi option. Right click and go to the properties option. Here you can see the configure option. Click on this. Now there are many options, as you can see. Go to the advanced one. From here you have to select the fat channel intolerant. You just need to enable this one and go down. Here you can see the roaming aggressiveness. Here you have to set this to lowest or medium low. Then go to the power management. You have to disable this option. Press OK. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is disconnected and it will connect automatically. And it is connected again. Now again right click and go to the properties option. From this menu, select the Internet Protocol version 4 and go to the properties option. Here enable the use the following DNS server. In the first box you have to type 8888 and in the second box you have to type 8844. This is the DNS from the Google, which will help you to boost your Wi-Fi speed. Now click on the OK, then close it. Now you have to just restart your PC or laptop. By this you can easily get better Wi-Fi speed. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.